think Layla wants to party tonight, huh? She's got her own beer. Layla, what is that? Is it beer for you? Oh yeah, you show mommy and daddy this one. Uh-huh. Beer for Layla. We're going to party. Or did you party already, Layla? Look at those red eyes. What? Do you want some more beer? Do you want some more beer? We give you beer. Do you want some beer? Here's some doggy beer. Yes. Beer Bowser. Should we try it? Should we try some more? What do you think? Okay, Layla. Yum, yum, yum. Uh-oh. And Layla, do you like the beer? What do you think, Lay? Oh, yummy, yummy. Oh, Layla. What do you think? What do you think, Lay? Do you like the beer? What? Yeah, it's party night, huh? It's New Year's, Layla. Yeah. Oh, Mama and Papa are really showing you how to party, huh? What do you think?